Searching for a 2008 Holden Commodore. If you're looking for a vehicle with great attributes, look no further. Connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.